This review is on the Stealth DVR by Defender. What it is a motion detector built into a camera with a built-in DVR. We're going to go over some of the characteristics of the camera and see if this is maybe the right thing for you. Okay, how does the Stealth DVR by Defender work? Well, first of all, the front of the unit here is a motion detector, which is triggered by an adjustable sensitivity that you can input to start recording. The bottom here is a small camera that records, and then on the top you have removable memory cards. So this one right here is about 2 gigs. That actually comes standard with the camera. And then from here it works actually like a DVR. You can see here in the back you have controls for fast forwarding and starting and stopping. And this is also how you set the camera up. And then at the top you have a video output. One thing to notice is that you only have a video output, so this is strictly a video camera and not necessarily anything for sound, which isn't really very surprising. So again, this is a full functioning DVR with a memory card spot and a security camera. Okay, next you have a wall mounting unit here in the back, which is nice so you can fasten it, and obviously I don't have it fastened yet to a wall because I'm still defining the right spot for it. That can be fastened in and properly mounted. It also comes with an extension right here in case you wanted to stick it out a little further, maybe over a bookshelf or whatnot. So you have the ability to fasten it securely to a wall. The other thing is that the unit will use either 4 AA batteries, or you can use the AC adapter right here to plug it in so you don't have to worry about batteries. One of the things to notice is that you can actually play directly onto a screen using the video output and not necessarily have to record. So if you want this to go to some sort of monitor and so you can watch what you're capturing, that'll work too. Okay, a few other things that you can do here. One, obviously, is you can capture the date and the time for which it's recording. That's a feature that you program in. You can set how sensitive you want the motion detector to be. Other things you can do is since you have the time and date programmed into the camera, you can schedule it to record at a certain period. Say you want to record every day from 3 to 4 o'clock. You can schedule that in, and regardless if the motion detector works or not, or encounters anything, it will record. And there's some other options here that are also possible. Please ignore the bottom part of this because I am running this through a video capture device for my computer so that it will work. This right here is actually recorded by the Stealth DVR by Defender. You can see that it really does have pretty good video capturing ability. Okay, the final verdict on the Stealth Defender DVR. I'm going to give it actually 4.5 stars. It has a lot of functionality to it. It has actually a very good video recording, as you saw on the video here. A couple things that are a little difficult. One is managing the back screen here and how you actually navigate through the windows. It isn't real intuitive, and it can create a bit of a challenge, but it's not something that can't be overcome. And second, setting up the motion detector for recording will take a little bit of practice. The manual helps considerably, but it's not something you can probably figure out just by looking at it. So you will need to work through the manual. But as a whole, the device does exactly what it says it does. It records at high quality. It gives you lots of good features. Taking, like I said, a half star off, which isn't too severe for the ability to work through the menus and the ability to set the thing up. But 4.5 stars.